nuked it. Oh, geez. It like blew something right out.
It's the spark plug in it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is, but pull it over.
Oh. Yeah,
so where's the hole? I just must have just blown part of the piston right out of it. Gosh, you ever hot? Yeah, it's running too lean. I should have like listened to it. Oh, that's warm. Yeah, I think that's a little too hot. Can't survive that. She started going. So we got a 2-up on that side of yours. We got a 2-up on that.
It was so fun.
She was running good. They usually run really good till they blow up. How are we gonna get it home?
Oh, yeah. You can't pull with that.
No, we
You
need
can't
to.
pull with anything.
We don't have any recovery sleds now. Oh, we got the VK.
It's all slush.
Oh yeah, that'd be really bad to bring the VK out.
But it has so much flotation that it may just be
Oh, we get that stuck on here, we're done. Oh, sorry, girl. I think we can fix it. We got to find another spill.
Well, the crank's still together.
Well, kinda, yeah. Well, we'll have to do a rebuild video on her because the Yellow Bomber needs to live. This is a very important machine. Sorry, girl. So what we're gonna have to do is.
Having so much fun.
Yeah, I know. Did you see the slush on the lake? Yeah, I know. This was fun. I feel bad. Wonder if you should just go and beat a trail with that a bunch of times. Like, you know, make it too wide, straight back. But there's slush, eh?
The places that I went, I didn't touch slush at all.
Yeah, I burned down a little deeper than you.
Because you spin.
Yeah, this spins the whole way.
How come every time you go to ride together, it lasts like 10 minutes?
Then why? When did that happen last? Oh, the time I wiped out and almost killed myself?
Yeah.
Well, that time. I hear you. I've never had such a dramatic piston pop before. It was quite incredible.
I thought it would be the like spark plug, because that one used to blow some spark plugs out the top. So we just cranked them down real tight.
No, I knew it was bad. It started losing power, and I was going to reach down and start adjusting the net, the high speed, but it wasn't that far out. I could hear it detonating. It was going. Let's go get the Honda. Hope he doesn't rack it. You can't do that. That's the porpoising. How do you drive this when it doesn't have very much power? I'm not used to that. But it works though. Hey, you sit on the other side, I'll sit here. Oh yeah, man. We got this. I'm gonna bust a trail straight and then come back. Okay, I'll let you do it. You're lighter than me, maybe. I don't know. Here, grab the back. Oh yeah, it'll probably come out, eh? Yeah, Ty? It's the shadow. Yeah, so get back in your trail. Make a street trail back, if you can.
Yeah.
And then go beside it and make it extra wide. by me. The yellow bomber. Poor old girl. Might be able to get her back today. Recovery mission. This down. And I got one of these. Look at the tracks. It's hilarious. Porpoising. Hi, yellow bomber. I think if he beats the trail, packs her down, it'll be alright. I like these marker boots, fly marker boots. Come down, buddy.
There's a lot of slush right there, so let's go somewhere else.
Hey?
When I was playing back there, I like broke through the slush. Let's go around that. Right straight there, it's slush now.
Yeah, but you got a pack, right?
It's slush.
We can go, well, you and I, can we both go off here? It's all slush under here too.
Yeah.
I don't know, what do you want to do?
Kind of the smallest place to be side by side.
I don't know. How about, grab onto me, huh, guys? Yeah, there's soft water going down. Here, help me pick up the back. One, two, three. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We got to run the track out.
Oh, my feet are so.
Oh, oh, those, yeah. Mine aren't. That's a bit. Okay, we'll pull over again. 1, 2, 3.
Just go in and I'll walk.
Hey?
Just go in and I'll walk.
I can't hear
Or
you.
do you want me to go because I'm lighter?
Yeah.
Do you like hold it?
I wonder if it's better to get back on our track.
I really don't know.
Let's try it. I've been in worse.
These toes are cold. Woo!
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll get you back on there. Huh?
My feet, my whole foot go in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cold for a while, bud. It's all good. So we gotta get you back over there. We're not that far away. Okay, you get on her. Let's just try it again. Just beat this down. You don't have very far to go.
Yeah.
about if we both push on the bars? Okay, okay, let's go. See if we can get it moving. We'll pick it out, clean out the track. You start walking with it. Don't get on it. We can keep it on top. We'll at least get to that lump there, then we're good. So we'll pick up the back again. Good thing we got life jacket. One, two, three, one, two. Okay, hold on. We'll clean it out now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Where do you want to put it? Huh? On there or on here? Here. Okay. Oh yeah. Just forget about the pain. Okay, we'll pick up about 1, 2. Okay, so don't sit on it. I think you should be on this side. This side. You can reach here. This is the side you should be on. Okay. This, and you're stronger with your right arm. You should be on this side pushing. Hold on. You know what? Throttle, push it, let it go. 1, 2. Hold on. Good. Good. Hold on. 1, 2. Oh yeah, brother. That's the technique right there. 1, 2. I like it. Hey? Get off this stuff.
I can get off it alone.
We just gotta get up here another 50 feet. Nice. Up a little more, just to be safe. Go underneath, clean all the slush off it. Okay. Go underneath, clean the slush off. What do you think, bud? Good?
Yeah, we. Attaboy, bud. I feel the clicking. I think we've blown a rear idler wheel or something.